Hello again, this is Roland of Rolweng YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you are going to update your Windows 10 to the latest version of May 2020 updates. As you all know, Microsoft just released the May 2020 updates for all those users who is using Windows 10. But before you are going to update your Windows 10 to May 2020 update, there are still some checklists uh, that you need to check so that you can get the full features of this Windows 10 May 2020 update. So just join me as we walk through with the Windows 10 May 2020 updates and, and to do some checklists so that we can go over with those checklists and check your PC if it is capable of updating to Windows 10 to May 2020 updates. So if you're new to this channel, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be updated for the upcoming videos for the computer tutorials that I'm going to create for all these users. So come and join me as we walk through with the Windows 10 Microsoft 2020 updates. Okay guys, we are now here in the updates of Windows 10 May 2020 update. Just like I'd mentioned, we need to check two things before we're going to do the updates. First, we have to check what version of Windows 10 we have in our PC. So just type in WinVer and then enter. Then as you can see, your Windows 10, in my case, my Windows 10 version that is installed in my PC is a version 1909. So I am capable of doing the updates for the May 2020 because my version is 1909. And then second one, we go to settings, type settings, enter, go to update security. Okay, in this case usually it will tell you if if you already have the capability to update your Windows 10 to May 2020 update. In my case, it says that the Windows 10 May 2020 update is on its way. Once it's ready for your device, you'll see the update available on this page. Why I see this message? Because as you all know, Microsoft usually makes some schedules on when they are going to send the updates, the May 2020 updates to all those users who is using Windows 10. So maybe in our case, they didn't push yet to our PC the Windows 10 May 2020 update. But if you want to do it manually, then I will show you on how to update the Windows 10 May 2020 update manually. Okay, now we'll go to the manual update. Just copy the link that I provided. So I will also put that link in the description below. So open your browser in Internet Explorer or Google Chrome and then paste the URL of the Windows URL address. And after that, you will go to this screen, just click update now, and then it will automatically download the Windows 10 update for .exe. So double click the update now, and then now once you double click the installation software, it will pop up the screen, and then just click update. It will check for the PC compatibility, your CPU, your memory, and your disk space, and just click update, and then it will go downloading the Windows 10 update. So we'll just wait until it's finished. So normally it's now updating, or it's now downloading the Windows 10 update. Then after that, this would usually take 2 minutes to download the updates. So I will just forward the screen, or I will just forward the video so that we will not wait for a long time. So after the downloading of the Windows 10 updates, then it will go for the verifying the download that we have just made, or that we have just downloaded. So it will verify. So I will just forward the video so that it will not take time. And then after the verifying, now it will go to the updating of Windows 10. So it's updating right now. So it has a 2% updates for just wait until the updates is done. So normally this would take like 50 minutes for the Windows 10 updates. Basically, these updates, Windows 10 updates, would take like almost 1.5 hours for the complete update of your Windows 10 May 2020. So I will just forward the video so that it will not we will not wait for that almost 1.5 hours. So just go on with your updates, and once it's finished updating, it will ask you to restart the PC. So for now, I will just close this video, and then I will just use my camera to capture the screen. So now I'm using my camera to capture the screen so that we have a step-by-step installation or the updates. So now the screen is being captured by my camera, by my DSLR. So it will, after the updates, it will ask you to restart your PC, and then it will several restart will be done to your PC after you update this Windows 10. So just wait until such time that all the updates have been successfully installed. Okay, so yep, from time to time I will forward the video so that we will not wait for a long time to finish this update. Normally it would take like 1.5 hours for complete updates, but since I do forward of the video, so at least we minimize the waiting time. So now it goes to working on updates. So after we restart the PC, it will update our PC. So I'm now using my camera to capture the screen. So we continue with the updates. So as I've said, it will several times it will restart the PC while doing the updates. So now it's still with 77%. So be sure not to turn off your PC, or else we might find some issue if you're going to turn off your PC. So be sure that your PC is plugged into the power outlet while doing this Windows 10 May 2020 updates. So we'll just wait. So it's now 88%. it's 97%. Okay, it's 100%. So this time your PC will restart, and then it will go to the login screen. So I will log into this screen, and then after that I will turn off my camera, my DSLR, and I'm going to start the video software that I'm using, to that we will capture the actual screen using the video editor. So I'm now logged in as administrator. Again, so if you are still new with my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will receive upcoming videos that I'm going to share with you. So now it says we've got some updates for you. So it seems that our updates is successful. So this might take several minutes. So yeah, just like what I've said, these updates will be almost 1.5 hours if you're going to do these updates. Since I do some forward of the video, so that we will eliminate some long time of waiting. Okay, since I cannot use yet my video editor, so we're still using camera to capture the screen. So that I have said is a step-by-step guide, so that you know exactly what is happening during the updates of your Windows 10 to May 2020 update. Okay, I will turn off my camera screen, and then I will turn on now my video software editing. So we are now in the video software editing. So yeah, if you like this video, just click subscribe with the notification bell. And now it seems that everything has been successfully installed. So it will show a welcome back. And now we're going to check if the Windows 10 update was successfully installed. So I will show you how to check if we have successfully installed the Windows 10 May 2020 update. So now, how to check? Go to search bar and then type WinVer, and then now look at the Windows 10. So it says version 2004 and then 2020 Microsoft. So I'm sure that the Windows update has been successfully done. You can also check by going to this PC and then properties, and then you will see that it was updated. You will see the 2020 Microsoft Corporation. Again, if you like this video, click subscribe and the notification bell so that you will receive more videos, upcoming videos. Again, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and I hope you share this video. Thank you and have a good day.